Surprisingly, a trip-fall case can be very complicated. You would think that it would be simple. You trip, you fall, you get hurt, and that's it. However, you have to prove that the condition was an unreasonably dangerous condition. So, for example, if there's a differential in the sidewalk slabs of only a quarter of an inch or an eighth of an inch, and you happen to trip on it, that's not necessarily a defective condition. So you have to prove that there's a height differential that's sufficient, that's likely to cause somebody to fall under the circumstances of where it's located. So it can be complicated. The other thing that's very important in a trip-fall case is how long the condition existed. And that can be very difficult to prove if you don't know exactly when it was. It may be apparent from looking at it that it's been there for a long time, and that's where photographs are very important. If you don't have photographs, it may be impossible to prove how long the condition was there. So there's many factors that go into it. There's a big difference between a slip and a trip, and that's made a big deal of a lot of times because a slip may involve a liquid or a slippery surface, and usually you slip and go down on your rear end, as opposed to a trip where your foot catches on something, you go forward onto your hands and knees. So these are the things that the defendants will look at to analyze the case and see if they feel that there's a good case there. It can be very complicated.